What is occupational therapy? As defined by World Federation of Occupational Therapists, it is a client-centered health profession concerned with promoting health and well-being through occupation. The primary goal is to help clients master the activities of daily living. We achieve this outcome by working with people and communities to enhance their ability to engage in occupation they want to, need to, or are expected to do, or by modifying the occupation or the environment to better support their occupational engagement. What is occupation? It refers to everyday activity that people do as individuals, in family and with communities to occupy time and bring meaning and purpose to life.
Occupational therapist works in many fields, which are explained in this video. School-based occupational therapy. In schools, occupational therapists focus on academics, play and leisure, social participation, self-care, and work skills. They use meaningful activities to help them participate in what they need or want to do in order to promote physical and mental health and well-being. Burns. Occupational therapy is an important source of support for clients following burn injury. Occupational therapists help to maximize their level of independence in day-to-day life. They provide a variety of services like splinting, scar management program, providing adaptive devices, home modification, return to work program. Post-surgical conditions. Occupational therapists works closely with surgeons in order to provide early intervention for best outcome. They work with a variety of patients who have injuries affecting upper extremity and lower extremity. Splinting. It is one of the many aspects of occupational therapy. Occupational therapists are expertise in splinting. It helps by providing support, immobilization or protection to the extremity. Assistive technology. These are equipments used to increase, maintain or improve functional capabilities. Community-based rehabilitation. Community-based rehabilitation is a community development strategy that aims at enhancing lives of persons with disability within their community. Occupational therapy is one of the health disciplines which focus on providing functional rehab for them. Ergonomics. Skills and knowledge of occupational therapists in anatomy, physiology and activity analysis makes them highly qualified to work in the area of ergonomics. Designing and modifying workplaces, tools, equipments and environment are few places where they use their skills to prevent injury and enhance production. Amputation. Occupational therapy provides support to individuals and facilitate optimum performance of daily living. They provide the clients with the most successful rehabilitation, which includes pre-prosthetics, prosthetics, and post-prosthetics training.
Cancer rehab. Occupational therapists work throughout the continuum of cancer care, including those who are newly diagnosed, undergoing treatment, receiving hospice or palliative care, or who are in the survivorship phase of the care. Occupational therapists can remediate, compensate, or adapt a client's ability to assist them in achieving a maximum level of independence. They educate on the use of energy conservation techniques and activity adaptation to resume functional daily routines. Hand therapy. Occupational therapists specialized in hand therapy offer therapeutic approach to restore function, limit the progression of a pathology, or prevent upper limb dysfunction to help patients resume their everyday tasks at home and at work and their recreational activities. Orthopedics. Injury can have a significant effect on an individual's independence. Occupational therapists work to provide rehab and compensatory techniques to maximize independence and minimize the impact on their daily life. Psychiatric. Occupational therapist helps to develop the skills needed to live life to its fullest. Occupational therapist enables the individuals to re-engage in meaningful occupations through a variety of skill sets such as skill development, establishing positive habits and routines, setting therapy goals, and using cognitive behavioral therapy. Pediatric occupational therapists are trained to address sensory processing issues and help equip parents to successfully manage their child's behavioral struggles. Geriatric. Occupational therapists work with them and teach them exercise and rehab techniques that makes completing daily tasks such as dressing, eating and bathing much easier. They help them to improve their fine and basic motor skills, strength, dexterity and their range of motion. Neurological occupational therapists hold a pivotal role in the proper evaluation and treatment of an individual who has sustained a brain injury or been through a prolonged neurological illness. They approach patients in a holistic manner. The role of occupational therapy cannot be explained in this short video. Occupational therapists work with individuals of different age groups, disabilities, and diagnoses. Occupational therapy is needed in all fields, which makes it a diverse health profession. Thanks for watching.